Severe thunderstorm warning for this area. Now, what that means is a lot of lightning, rain, heavy rains, torrential rains. It's for our area, for Hanover County. It says the National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties. Hanover County is listed in there. Henrico is listed. Richmond, Richmond, and all those counties there. There's winds of gusts of 35 to 40 miles an hour. The storms will be here around 5, a little between 5 and 5:30 p.m. Heavy rainfalls, flooding the low-lying areas, frequent to cloud-to-ground lightning. This storm watch is in effect from, what's that say? Boy, it's so blurry. From 4 p.m. is when it was issued to, looks like about 8 p.m. It's hard to read that. Yeah. Yeah. It is 8 p.m. All right, so it was issued at looks like 4:30 p.m. and it expires at 8 p.m. And a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for that time, so that's for this area. Let's punch up the radar here, and we will go to there and show you things that are going on with that. Trying to here. Let me get my response here. Alright, here we go. Let's look at that. Thunderstorms, let's go to radar. Boy, I don't like this. It's hard to do this. Let's go to here. Alright, this is the radar for our area. Let's set this into motion for all of you. Maybe it'd be better if we turn this off. It's really bright. Let me see if I can try to bring this down, because we're getting a lot of too much brightness. Let's try that. Alright, let me go here. Alright. See, here we have a lot of activity here on the radar. If you can see, if you look at it, we have there's some bow echoes. If you look right down here, there's a bow echo. Now, if we go and we were to zoom in a little bit, say we go ahead and zoom in here. That's where we're located, right there in Hanover. Now, let's say, and we were to put this into motion. Let's do it. So we put this into motion, and see that big storm that's heading right for us, a dark red area to the west of the plus. That's where we're located here in Richmond. That's heading there. It looks like there may be some tornadic activities with it. See, there's a little boomerang or bow effect. I just moved it again and stopped it. Well, let's get that back into motion for you. But if we look at that and we see that bow echo, see it? See where we are? Oh, I just didn't know. There. See the little bow echo? There's winds with that. Tornado conditions could be in there. Another place, there may be some tornado conditions down here near North Carolina, like in that one cell right there. That's down south towards the Virginia border, North Carolina border. And there's even some tornado echoes even north of us near Washington, D.C. as well, because this storm kind of goes up towards Washington, D.C. It's like a huge line, like a squall line is formed. Let's switch over to lightning in the seas. This is something that we can do. We can show you the lightning that's out there. There's a lot of lightning with these storms. I mean, tons of lightning. Let's see. Let's go ahead and do that here. Alright. Now let's go ahead and see all that white stuff. That's bolts of lightning coming out of clouds in real time. Look at the lightning. Look at that. See, look at all that lightning. See? That's headed right towards us. So, it's, I don't know why it's so blurry, but that's what's heading towards us. But anyway, that's severe weather forecast from 4:30 to 8 o'clock p.m. tonight. Severe thunderstorm warning for this area. And that's a big storm, so it's going to knock out a lot of power, a lot of winds with it, some tornadic Rotation is with it. I don't know why I'm thinking radiation, but rotation is with it with some of these storms, so be careful if you're out there and about. This is for Hanover County, Goochland, Richmond, Henrico. All these areas are under the gun for severe weather for the next couple hours. And there may be a lot of power outages in these areas where these storms have hit. And if you have power, help those people who don't have power in your area. All right? There may be some trees down, indoor power lines. So be careful. All right, we're getting off the air. We're going to go ahead and put this up for you. And it's heading our way. It's just about here. This is a lot of lightning with this severe weather. I mean, it's really hot and humid out there, and it's perfect in climate for this kind of thing. Be careful and be safe. It's Michael DeSilva from YouTube and from Eclectic and Revival Networks. This is your forecast and the Weather Center.